Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Calm Mind. Today we are going to solve NDNA exam 2 2021. Okay, here are the instructions. Okay, do read them carefully. Uh, one more thing, before starting paper, I want to discuss. Whatever I'm doing is not bearing fruitful result. I mean, people come and move away. Okay. Um, maybe there are reasons. There could be two reasons. Okay. Either you know whatever is being explained. Either you know whatever is explained. You know more than whatever is being explained in paper. And two, the way of explanation is not good. Okay. In case of one, if you know more than what has been explained, then it's good. Okay, it's good and you can leave. But if you don't know, you have come here for some knowledge and still you are not uh, you are not here. I mean, you are not finding it fruitful. Okay, so I think it's my fault. I'm not able to explain it properly, or maybe in my capacity I'm doing whatever I can. Okay, but if still you find, is there any need to change in my way of explaining, whether it's related with time, speed, or medium, Hindi or English? So let me know what can be done to make it a interesting and fruitful conversation. Okay, my dilemma is that I have to deal with aspirants from north as well as south. Okay, students from South India are more conversant with English because their education system is such, has been designed in such a way that they read English since their beginning of education. But that is not case with the students of North India. Okay, especially in particularly in rural areas. Okay, so where English starts from 6th. Okay, so and aspirants from South India may be more conversant with English, and he doesn't need to prepare for SSB. I mean, especially in vocab and others, speaking in English. Okay, he might have some problem in particular topics like idioms, phrases, ordering of the sentences. Okay, spotting error. So those aspirants can watch a particular section and give their opinion. Okay, and at present I try 75% in English and 25% in Hindi, where I feel that more explanation is needed for Hindi speaking belt. Okay, so this was the my dilemma, and do give your opinion so that this solution can be made more interesting and more learning. Okay, now duration of the video, if I take nearly between 130 to 2 hour to explain. You will find many solutions in the market within half an hour, completed within 30 minutes. Okay, but that's just simple one answer only. Okay, I try to explain all the options given in the question, so that you don't know maybe option 4 or option 3 would be question in coming examination. Okay, so this one, if I try to cover it within 1.5 hours, then I will not be doing justice with the question paper. Okay, because explanation takes time. Okay, so even if one student or one aspirant watches this a particular section, you cannot give opinion just on skimmed reading. Okay, skimmed reading, you need to go through a section. If you don't want antonym synonym, okay, it's okay, you go for idioms phrases, at least watch 10 questions completely. Okay, and then give your opinion what need to do. Okay, what can be done to improve the quality of the solution. Okay, and if I don't want 100 aspirants, non-serious aspirants, it will be more satisfying if one aspirant watches this fully, at least a section, and give his or her opinion. Okay, it will be more satisfying. So thank you, and this was thing. Do let me tell, do tell me, so to make it more interesting and learning. Okay, thank you. And now come to the question. Part A, spotting error. Nursery classes for the children starts on April every year. Nursery classes for the children starts on April every year. Nursery classes, subject is plural. Okay, so starts, subject verb error, subject verb agreement, so it's plural. What is this? Singular verb. Okay, and we need to change it according to the plural subject, plural noun. Okay, so what will happen? It will be start. Okay, so our answer is C. Very obvious, very easy. Okay, the population level is very high in our city and becomes, label is and becomes indefinite, becomes present indefinite, becomes a health hazard, is very high, a factual statement. And now the sentence wants to say that it is very high. Pollution level means it's a harmful thing. Okay, pollution is harmful, and the matter is getting worse, जो getting worse. Okay, so it wants to say कि it has become, यहाँ पे becomes नहीं होगा. Okay, indefinite नहीं होगा, it has become, the situation has deteriorated word. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? It has become. या अगर continuous में, if we can say it in continuous, then it is getting worse day by day. Okay, though we can express it in two ways. Either it has become a health hazard, or it's getting worse day by day, but it's not given, so becomes has to be replaced with has become. Okay, our answer is C. Okay, current situation is hazardous, it has become a health hazard. Okay, it has become, not it becomes. ये बिहेवियरल नेचर में कह रहा है. ओके, इनडेफिनेट है, बट सिचुएशन इज डेफिनेट दैट इट इज हजार्डस, इट हैज़ बिकम ए हेल्थ हजार्ड फॉर द पीपल. ओके, आंसर इज See, India is a country of linguistic and cultural diversity. Linguistic how? Marathi, Konkani, Malayali, Tamil, Telugu, Odia, Bangla, Northeastern language, Manipuri, Mizo, okay, Assamese, Bengalis, cultural of Kashmir, Maratha culture, okay, Dravidian culture, North Indian culture, okay. So cultural diversity, cultural and linguistic diversity with multiple ethnic and social groups. India is a country of linguistic, adjective, diversity, okay, adjective, linguistic and cultural, adjective, with multiple, many ethnic groups, okay, ethnic and social groups, tribals and other social groups, okay. Andaman Nicobaris, there was PVTGs, particularly vulnerable tribal groups, okay. So in this there is no error, sentence is correct. We don't find India is a country of linguistic and cultural diversity with multiple ethnic and social groups. Sentence is okay, no error. Why does lapse rate affect the tendency of air to rise? Air rises, okay, air rises, but warm air rises, and as it move upward, what happens? The lapse rate means temperature. Lapse rate क्या होता है? Reduction in temperature, decline in temperature as one move upward. How much? 1 degree centigrade at height of 165 meter, okay, almost 6.5 degree reduce हो जाता है at the height of 1 kilometer, okay. So what happens? It affects, it hinders, it blocks, ठीक है, it blocks the rising of air. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? निगेटिव सेंस में है. इफेक्ट का निगेटिव सेंस क्या होगा? अफेक्ट होगा, अफेक्ट, ओके, निगेटिवली उसको इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है. इट not allowing the air to move up, okay. Our answer is, so effect नेगेटिव सेंस में होगा तो वो इफेक्ट होगा, अफेक्ट, ओके. पॉजिटिव होगा तो इफेक्ट हो जाएगा. बोथ आर नाउन, ओके, नाउन एंड वर्ब बोथ. इफेक्ट भी नाउन एंड वर्ब होता है और ये भी नाउन एंड वर्ब है, बोथ है. उसका बस मेन डिफरेंस जो है ये पॉजिटिव सेंस में है या नेगेटिव सेंस में है, ओके. बिकॉज एयर lapse rate blocks the air or hinders the air to rise, that's why it works as an obstacle, okay. टेम्परेचर कूल हो जाता है तो क्या होगा? उसकी डेंसिटी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, तो भारी जो ड्यू है, ड्यू पार्टिकल्स, मॉइस्चर जो है वो इट गेट्स हैवियर, ओके, एज वी मूव अप. सो आंसर इज अफेक्ट. अफेक्ट विल रिप्लेस इफेक्ट. Thorax is the upper part of your body from neck down to the bottom of the ribs and diaphragm. यहाँ दो चीज़ है, okay. If ribs and diaphragm, if two component work as a single entity, as a union entity, okay, then it will be counted as single one. But if both work as two independent body, condition 1, condition 2, two independent body, okay, so it will be counted as 2, okay. So in case, तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा? द रिब्स एंड द डायाफ्राम, इफ इट इज काउंटेड एज 2, ओके, इफ इट इज काउंटेड एज 2, देन यहाँ पे फिर देन आवर आंसर विल बी सी. बट द थ्रॉक्स के बारे में बोला जा रहा है, इज द अपर पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी, फ्रॉम द नेक डाउन टू द बॉटम ऑफ द रिप्स एंड डायाफ्राम. रिप्स एंड डायाफ्राम क्या है? रिप्स और उसके साथ साथ जो हमारी स्किन है, डायाफ्राम जो सिस्टम है पूरा, ओके उसमें चेक गूगल कि रिप्स एंड डायाफ्राम, थ्रॉक्स देख लेना. तो हियर इट इज वर्किंग एज सिंगल यूनिट, so there will be no error in it. Okay, there will be no error in it. If we take it as at many places they have taken it as two independent units, so they have inserted they have said ki no, option is C. But here the thorax is saying about thorax, okay, and in thorax it include both ribs as well as diaphragm, okay, so it is working as a single unit, hence it will be, there will be no error, okay, not as an independent unit, okay, so no error. Okay, move. It was important question, okay, like bread and butter, we count bread and butter as one unit, okay, as one unit, not different. Okay, here works as bread and butter works as in union, a single entity. Okay, move ahead. The practical usage of astrology has seldom means rarely, hardly, okay, barely. Practical usage of astrology has seldom been seriously studied outside of India. Astrology, okay, future telling. So it is more popular in India and not with that intensity outside India. Okay, not so much popular. So practical uses, यहाँ पे लोग ज़्यादा still people believe in astrology. Lots of people, majority of people believe in astrology. Seldom been seriously studied outside India. So is there any error? Practical uses of astrology have seldom been seriously studied. Okay, there people are more practical, and hence they don't much they don't have more faith in astrology outside India. Okay, so no error, there is no error. She collected some armful of medicine, poured them down a drain. Means down a drain, idiom phrases है. It means to waste something, or to be emptied, खाली करना ना, empty करना. Okay, so it's okay here. Okay, she collected some armfuls. Some is a plural adjective. Okay, plural sense में है ना. some मतलब not one, more than one. Okay, so armfuls जो होगा यहाँ पे हमारा है, तो it will be either armsful or armfuls, both convey the same meaning. Okay, handful you can say is also right, and armfuls both are right. Handful means little less than armful. Okay, little less than armful, but sense जो है, जो उनका significant है, substance है, वो एक है. there is no such difference, only intensity थोड़ा सा कम ज़्यादा हो सकता है, but both have same sense, armful or handful. Okay, so but it should be plural, so we need to add s here. So our answer is B. Okay, countable noun है ना, arm, some armful, handful, you can count it. uncountable होता तो, in case of uncountable, like water, air, or anything. So okay, then we do not need this. In case of only countful, we add this one S. Okay, answer is B. In many countries, the United Nations or other internationally organized, in many countries the United Nations or other internationally organized peacekeeping forces are trying to keep the peace. Many countries, the United Nations, other peacekeeping forces, other internationally organized peacekeeping forces. India is also part of peacekeeping forces. It sends its forces in African continents. Okay, Somalia, Sudan. Okay, West African countries. Trying to Congo, trying to keep peace, keep the peace. Okay, जहाँ पे conflict हो रहे हैं because of two groups. Okay, माली, नाइजीरिया, इन सब कंट्रीज में. ओके, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, स्पेशली वेस्टर्न सहारा और उसके नीचे. ओके, मोरक्को वगैरह. In many countries, the United Nations and other internationally organized peacekeeping forces are trying to keep the peace. Continuous है, continuous, trying to keep the peace, to maintain peace and harmony. Maintain or keep peace and harmony. Okay, अभी भी वहाँ पे दो ग्रुप हुए. सोमालिया में हुआ rebellion groups हैं, and they keep slaughtering villagers and normal public. Okay, so UN sends peacekeeping, other internationally organized peacekeeping forces are trying to, they are doing it currently. Okay, so no error. Early cities rely on food and water from the surrounding countrysides, but 2 days early and 2 days पास्ट सब्जेक्ट हो गया अर्ली सिटीज. सो यहाँ पे वर्ब क्या आएगी, पास्ट की आएगी. ऑफन डिपेंड, ये प्रेजेंट है और यहाँ पे वर्ब जो है प्रेजेंट की है. ओके, डिपेंड इज प्रेजेंट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट. ओके, ऑन डिस्टेंट सोर्सेज, बट टुडे सिटीज ऑफन डिपेंड ऑन डिस्टेंट सोर्सेज बिकॉज ऑफ transport, availability of transport. They can travel, okay, long distances. Earlier they had to move on foot, so they relied, past subject, past time, and verb should be past. Rely present, relied past, so relied will replace relay. Okay, answer is A. Here is present, today cities depend, simple present, but early cities mean talking about past time, so our verb should be past, in our verb should be in past tense. Relay ka relied. Climate change, whether it is natural or human induced, is stressful for the people. Climate change, whether it is natural or human induced, is stressful for the people. Okay, climate change, whether it is natural. Okay, natural क्या है, नेचुरल है कोई गैलेक्टिक इवेंट्स हो जाए, गैलेक्टिक इवेंट, सोलर सिस्टम में कुछ चेंजेज आ जाए. ओके, टेम्परेचर डाउन हो ना, सोलर विंड्स वगैरह जो है नेचुरल. वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी हो जाए. ओके, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी में जो सराउंडिंग है, इट विल बी कवर्ड विथ डस्ट एंड स्मोक पार्टिकल्स एंड सन रेज विल नॉट बी एबल टू पेनिट्रेट. ओके, इन दोज कंडीशंस व्हाट विल हैपन, टेम्परेचर ऑफ अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर विल डाउन, गेट डाउन, रिड्यूस, ठंडा हो जाएगा फिर, ओके, बिकॉज इंसोलेशन ऑफ लेस इंसोलेशन, ओके, सन रेज अर्थ सरफेस पे नहीं, दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू रीच, सो टेम्परेचर विल बी डाउन, ओके. नेचुरल कैलामिटी. ह्यूमन इंड्यूस्ड इज इमिशन जो आजकल हो रहा है, क्लाइमेट वार्मिंग, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ CFCs, ग्रीन हाउस गैसेज, ओके, कार्बन इमिशन, CO2, methane, okay, these are human induced. Anthropogenic is a word. Anthropogenic, okay. Anthrop means humans and genic means produced by humans, okay. Is stressful for the people, so no error, grammatically no error, okay. For the people, but for the people, what if we take as global whole, so we can say ki no, there is no error. But if we take a specific in terms of some regional basis, okay, you will find at many places here they have marked C, okay, but we are talking earth as a single unity, single entity, okay, as a whole, as a family, okay, earth as a family. And for the people, it's not saying about other animal, okay, other animal, birds, etc. So it might seem the people is right, okay, but if we take about a specific country or geography, then our answer will be C, okay. तो दो सिचुएशन है. If we taking earth as a single family, as a big single family, then the people will be right, okay. If not, then C will be right. So mark your answer accordingly. In my view, it will be, there will be no error, because here climate change is affecting, it's not talking about a single country, it's talking about the whole earth, okay, and whole earth. So the people, not if we include everyone like animals, birds, okay, every creature, then यहाँ पे जो है दी सही, दी जो है गलत होगा, फिर पीपल के लिए होगा. ओनली पीपल विल बी योर आंसर, ओके. सो जस्ट सी इट, ओके. एज ए होल अर्थ द पीपल इज राइट. डाइवर्स सेंस में देखेंगे तो पीपल एंड एनिमल, जो 4-5 टाइप है ना, birds, vegetations, they are also affecting our crops. crop production reduce हो रहा है, okay, vegetation. तो इस सेंस में करेंगे तो these right. if not, अगर पर्टिकुलर कंट्री या पर्टिकुलर ज्योग्राफी की बात हो रही, रीजन की बात हो रही, देन सी विल बी राइट, ओके. इन माई व्यू डी शुड बी द आंसर, ओके. कम टू नेक्स्ट, idioms and phrases. Once over means idioms, phrases, no literal meaning, no literal sense, okay, no direct sense, okay. Once over, glance over, glance के सेंस में है. quickly, have a quick look, okay. Swift examination, swift examination, okay. To do something quickly, this should be our answer. Something elaborately means going in detailed, no. To do something perforce means under pressure, doing something under pressure, no. To do something for others, no, okay. Once over, मतलब क्विकली, हैव ए क्विक लुक. ओके. A bag of bones. Okay. A bag of bones means no meat or no mass. He like a bag of bones means skeleton, only skeleton. Okay. An extremely fat person, opposite है, totally opposite. Extremely thin person. An extremely thin person, weak, weak and very thin. Wealthy person, economic terms, healthy person, no. Lean and thin, big and lean, lean and thin. Okay, big person. Muddy the waters, water, calm. Okay, and assume a pond, it's calm. Okay, mud has been settled in depth. Okay, but when few animals move into the pond, okay, and they disturb the status quo of pond and mud comes up. Okay, muddy the ponds mean disturb the area, disturb. Okay, disturb the area or situation. ओके क्या होता है जब जानवर जाते हैं तो उसका पूरा दे डिस्टर्ब द वाटर ऑफ द पॉन्ड एंड वाटर बिकम्स डर्टी. ओके, टू स्प्रेड डर्ट, डायरेक्ट मीनिंग नो. टू मेक सिचुएशन इजी, नो, अपोजिट. टू मेक सिचुएशन कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, ओके, मेक सिचुएशन वर्स. ओके, टू मेक वंस लाइफ हैप्पी, नो सेंस. टू मेक सिचुएशन वर्स. To label with means to label with, it means to label with क्या होगा? To be honest. Okay, to be honest or frank with someone yeah, to tell truth, okay. To label with, to be on a plane. देखो ये प्लेन है और एक अदर प्लेन इज प्लेन. टू लेबल विथ, टू लेबल प्लेइंग फील्ड, वहां पे ये प्लेन का इस्तेमाल हो जाएगा. ओके, इस प्लेन का इट मीन्स ए फ्लैट सरफेस. ओके, फ्लैट सरफेस और प्लेन. दिस प्लेन मीन्स सिंपल, नो डेकोरेशन. ओके, नो डेकोरेशन, प्लेन, सिंप्लिसिटी. Okay, no decoration. To take revenge, no. To label with. So to be honest, इक्वल करना, डिसऑनेस्टी उसको इम्बैलेंस कर देगी. बैलेंस करना, टू लेबल विथ, बैलेंस करना. ठीक है, अगर वो हॉनेस्ट है तो यू नीड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. टू ये इस सिचुएशन में है. ठीक है, नो चीटिंग. ओके, no cheating. So to be honest. So your hand it means to tell people about the past, to reveal secrets, to reveal secrets. Okay, open heart. Okay, so to tell people about the future, no future, no past, and no present. To tell about them, no, to tell about your plans, to disclose your what secrets. Okay, no conceal, no hiding of information. Okay, next, to pull up. Previously it has come to pull your one socks, to pull your socks, pull up. Okay, pull up means, so to criticize someone, okay, criticism के सेंस में है. So to criticize someone, to rebuke, chide. Okay, to pull up है भी direct meaning, to check oneself. Okay, criticize करना, उसको check करना. check means have control, having control on someone or self. Okay, to pull up oneself, to shorten the distance, to sort of destination. No. Okay, be out of action. Action means active at present. Out of action means, so simple, to become dysfunctional, to get punishment. Out of action, not means retired हो गया, not on duty. Okay, not in action. Dysfunctional, not non-operative. Okay, to become super active. No. Learning from the school of hard knocks. School of hard knocks means, hard means difficult. Look how we can arrive just by watching, just by checking the words. Hard means difficult, knocks means difficult experience. Okay, sense जो the sense of knocks is experience here. Difficult experience, not good experience. Okay, so learning from school of hard knocks, it means something difficult experience. Okay, hard. If learning from school of knocks, if hard was not given, then our answer would have been A, learning from experience. But hard knocks, it means difficult experiences. Okay, this one. Okay, so our answer is D. Hard, difficult, knocks means experience, situations of life. Okay, difficult situations, and when you tackle, you learn lessons from them. Raise you some hackles is raise some hackles, not a friendly gestures. Okay, not a hackles में बाल खड़े होना. Okay, hackles, to annoy. Okay, annoy someone, alert करना, alert, and not a friendly gesture. Especially heckling na, not a friendly gesture. Okay, creating a problem, so someone happy, no, totally opposite. Great task, sit idle, no. to annoy, to irritate. Okay. A man of letters. Letters means it's related with knowledge. Okay, so it means academic. A man of academy, पढ़ा लिखा होना. Okay, scholar. So a man of literature, not artist. Sportsman, novelist. No, a man of literature. Novelist is a particular a part of literature. Novel is a part of literature. Novelist is a part of literary person. Okay, but not whole. So अगर literature was not there, then we could have said कि वो non novelist. But if literature is there, literature undertakes many things. Okay, learning, man of learning, letter, पढ़ा लिखा होना. Okay, learned man, scholar. In ordering of sentence, ordering of sentence, ordering of words in a sentence. PQRS, underlined sections, and we have to place them in order to make a meaningful sentence. Symbolic of peace and prosperity. The Gupta Empire in India is represented through numismatic, archaeological, and literary evidences of multiple kinds. Okay, correct order should be correct order. First we should check our subject matter. क्या होगा? Subject कहाँ से start होगा? Beginning of the sentence from subject matter. Symbolic of peace and prosperity, and will come later. So S will not start the sentence. The Gupta Empire in India. Here is our subject matter. Okay, so our sentence should start with Q. Okay, represented, verb is given, not start. Symbolic of peace and prosperity. Further no connection, it's not connecting. So answer, our word will start, sentence will start with Q. Remove other options. So only two options. Let's see what comes next. The Gupta Empire in India is, after is what will come? Okay, what will come? मेन वर्ब आएगी. ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब है एंड मेन वर्ब शुड कम. सो आर शुड बी देयर. ओके, इज रिप्रेजेंटेड थ्रू numismatic, archaeological, and literary evidence of multiple kinds. Okay, R should come later. Represent through numismatic, archaeological, and symbolic of peace. No, Gupta Empire is a symbolic of peace. It's telling about Gupta Empire, na? Peace and prosperity. Telling about what? Gupta Empire is what? Is describing further. Symbolic of peace. So our Q and P should be together. Answer is this one. यहाँ तक हमारा नाउन हो जाएगा. द गुप्ता अंपायर, सब्जेक्ट मैटर जो हो जाएगा, इज सिंबल ऑफ पीस, इज सिंबॉलिक ऑफ पीस एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी. यहाँ तक हमारा सब्जेक्ट मैटर हो जाएगा. देन रिप्रेजेंटेड थ्रू न्यूमिस्मैटिक, आर्कियोलॉजिकल एंड लिटरेरी एविडेंसेस जो वहाँ पे बुक्स वगैरह लिखी गई हैं, और न्यूमिस्मैटिक जो क्वाइंस वगैरह मिले हैं. ओके, न्यूमिस्मैटिक आर्कियोलॉजिकल एविडेंसेस. ओके, सिक्के हैं और जो मुहर वगैरह है ना, वो सब जो मिले हैं, न्यूमिस्मैटिक. सो आवर आंसर शुड बी Q, P, R and S. R, S build together. Archaeological, numismatic, archaeological and literary evidences. 1 and 2. इसको कनेक्ट कर रहा है and conjunction. So R, S will come together. R, S is here. यहाँ पे नहीं है R, S, यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ. If we know कि R and S will come together, then our only answer is A. Okay. Okay. P is telling about the Gupta Empire. So P will be preceded by Q. Okay, it's telling about QP will be together and RS will be together. Only answer is A. The transport system so that it will come later. So आ गया ना, result consequence आ गया, तो it will come later. And will not be subject matter. Provides verb will not be subject matter, or subject will start from S only. Okay, देखो हमने कैसे भी eliminated this. Q, so आ गया. So means it is telling about the consequences of something, result of something. So it will not or sentence will not start with P. And लग गया, it means it's incomplete. So Q will also not start the sentence. Provides, here is the main verb, it will not start with verb. So only option is S. And C, only option that starts with S is C. Okay, answer. You don't need to study further and spend more time. Okay, so S, the subject matter, there are many ways to restructure what? क्या restructure करेंगे? Restructure the transportation system. एक ही subject आ रहा है यहाँ पे, transportation system. So S will be followed by P. S will be followed by P. So SP will come together. Okay, so that it provides, so that क्या उसका result होगा? Result क्या होगा उसका? There are many ways to restructure transport, restructuring of transport system. Result क्या होगा उसका? Mobility to everyone. It means R will follow P. Okay, to everyone, and not just affluent, not few people, rich people, not only rich people, but everyone, whether irrespective of his class, whether the person is rich or poor, everyone, it provides mobility to everyone. So Q will be the last. Okay, if we know S is starting, then only option is okay. SP will come together, SP together, and PR together and RQ together. Okay, if anyone you match, you can find the answer. And accurately displays spatial related to space and time. Spatial, time का क्या होगा? टाइम का होगा टेम्पोरल. ओके, displays and accurately. So P will not start because incomplete and is there, so it will not start our sentence. Relationship between landforms and water bodies. Landforms and water bodies. So relationship, it's also incomplete. Something will proceed relationship. Okay, something some other will proceed Q. The globe shows, and it will also not start. Only subject matter is R. Okay, so let's see. Well, our subject matter is R. Only option is okay. Just by going by checking the subject matter, you can come to the answer. If we know very sure that R is going to start our sentence, then only option is B. Okay, the globe shows that Earth spherical shape. The globe shows Earth spherical shape. Globe क्या होता है? Okay, map of the Earth. Okay, spherical shape है यहाँ पे, not circle. Okay, and displays landforms and spatial relationship. It means there is spatial relationship कुछ between landform, land forms and water bodies. Okay, एक relationship है spatial, कितना space का है, distance का है. Okay, एक relationship landform और water bodies, land and water. Okay, 71%, 29%. land and 71% water. And comparative distance between, जो होता है ना लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड, इक्वेटर 0 डिग्री, ओके, कैसे कैसे होता है ये, ओके, लॉन्गिट्यूड. So there is a relation between comparative distance, okay, 1 degree, how much, 111 kilometer, okay, like that. So let's move. The globe shows spherical shape. The globe shows Earth's spherical shape and accurately displays and comparative distance between locations. स्पेशियल, देखो एडजेक्टिव है ये, दिस वन शोज स्पेशियल, एडजेक्टिव है, एडजेक्टिव बाद क्या आएगा, नाउन आएगा, रिलेशनशिप, नाउन, ओके. सो पी क्यू विल कम टुगेदर, पी क्यू विल कम टुगेदर. पी क्यू कहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे है, बट सेंटेंस से स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे है, 3 में है, बट सेंटेंस इज स्टार्टिंग विथ आर, ओके. पी क्यू विल कम टुगेदर एंड वाटर बॉडीज, एंड फर्दर कनेक्ट कर रहा है इसमें रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन वन रिलेशनशिप एंड सेकेंड रिलेशनशिप इज कंपैरेटिव डिस्टेंस, ओके. रिलेशनशिप close shows Earth's spherical shape and accurately displays spatial relationship between लैंडफॉर्म्स एंड वाटर बॉडीज एंड कंपैरेटिव डिस्टेंस. तो 2 चीज बता रहा है, डिस्टेंस बता रहा है 2 लोकेशंस के बीच में, यूएस यूरोप के बीच में कितना है, ओके, पर्टिकुलर लोकेशंस, लखनऊ न्यूयॉर्क के बीच में क्या डिस्टेंस है, वी कैन कम टू नो, ओके. ओके, पी क्यू विल कम टुगेदर एंड सेंटेंस विल स्टार्ट विथ आर, ओनली ऑप्शन इज मूव टुवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट. The function of capillaries, okay, capillary motion, movement, okay. The water reaches to the top of the tree, to every leaf of the tree through capillary motion. The function of capillary motion is subject matter नहीं होगा, and incomplete है, something needed, the body and to take away their waste material. So subject matter कहाँ कहाँ होगा, यहाँ पे भी नहीं होगा, the body incomplete sense शो कर रहा है यहाँ पे, और subject will start with subject matter P. The function of capillaries, क्या function है, what function is to take nutrients, oxygen एंड अदर मटेरियल्स. यहां पे कनेक्ट कर रहा है 1, 2 एंड 3, कहां पे ले जा रहा है, टू ऑल द सेल्स इन द बॉडी, इन कहां पे, वेयर, ओके. सो और सेंटेंस विल स्टार्ट विथ पी. द फंक्शन सब्जेक्ट मैटर, ओनली सब्जेक्ट मैटर इज द फंक्शन ऑफ P. The only option is which starts with P is A आंसर, ओके. अब यहां पे देखें फंक्शन ऑफ, क्या फंक्शन है, फंक्शन क्या है उसका, टू टेक. सो P will be followed by R, P will be followed by R and further connecting, R will be followed by Q and in last, ओके. कहाँ पे इन द बॉडी, वेयर, प्लेस बता रहा है, जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स ले जा रहा है कहाँ पे, बॉडी, एंड टू टेक अवे देयर वेस्ट मटेरियल्स, उनका वेस्ट मटेरियल्स वो ले लेती हैं, ओके. ओके, तो यहाँ पे व्हाट फंक्शन क्या है उनका, व्हाट फंक्शन, देन आंसर विल बी आर, एंड कितने, हाउ मेनी फंक्शन इज देयर, to take nutrients, to take oxygen and other materials, okay. So where, कहाँ पे, लास्ट में S. Like mine, even to someone 18 year, her singing sounded pretty melodious. Like mine, sentence will not start. Even to someone, something will proceed. Okay, incomplete. 18 year, 18 year, it seems her singing sounded pretty melodious. So our subject matter 18 year, 18 year, 10 year क्या सेंस है? 10 ईयर से क्या इसका सेंस है यहाँ पे? 10 ईयर मीन्स ईयर मेड ऑफ मटेरियल, मिनरल, टिन. सेंस क्या है इसका? कि नॉट वेरी गुड ईयर, नॉट वेरी गुड ईयर, डिफेंड ईयर, एक मतलब बहरे के सेंस में है. ओके, नॉट वेरी फंक्शनल, ऑपरेटिव. ओके, खराब कान जो है उसका ना. ओके, 18 ईयर लाइक माइन, मेरे जैसा, लाइक माइन. इस ईयर को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, किसके जैसा? ओके, डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है 18 ईयर लाइक माइन. सो आर पी, सेंटेंस विल स्टार्ट विथ आर एंड दैट आर विल बी फॉलोड बाई पी. So P will be preceded by R. P will come after R. 18 year like mine. Okay, defend year. Huh? Okay. Like mine. So RP will come together. RP यहाँ पे नहीं है, RP यहाँ पे है, RP यहाँ नहीं है. ओके, RP यहाँ पे है. सो टू ऑप्शंस विद RP, B and D. लेट्स मूव फर्दर. Like mine, her singing sounded pretty melodious even to someone with. Someone with. So our sentence will, last sentence, last part of the sentence would be yes. Okay, someone with, it means something should come. Okay, so yes will be last. RP together and last is S. RP together, last is S. Both have S in last and RP together. Okay, okay. So अब now let's see. 18 year like mine, even to someone with. someone with क्या कनेक्ट करेगा? even to someone with मतलब पोजीशन, पोजीशन की बात कर रहा है, तो Q should come first. Q should proceed with R should proceed with Q. Okay, even to someone with 18 year, someone like a person like me with a 10 year, defend year. ओके, इसका इडियम्स में अगर सेंस करेंगे तो हो जाएगा कि नॉट वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन सॉन्ग्स या आर्ट और म्यूजिक. ओके, नॉट हैविंग नो नॉलेज, हैविंग लेस नॉलेज या नो नॉलेज, नॉलेज ऑफ म्यूजिक. ओके, हैविंग नो नॉलेज ऑफ म्यूजिक. 10 ईयर का सेंस ये है यहाँ पे. ओके, इवन टू समवन, इवन ए पर्सन लाइक मी विद ए 10 ईयर who have no knowledge of music, her singing sounded pretty melodious. Okay, even a person like me, her singing is pretty melodious. अच्छा लगता है. Even if I don't understand the meaning of the song, still it sounds melodious. Okay, sounds sweet, good melody. So Q, even a person, our sentence will start from here. Even a person, even to someone with what? With 18 year. Okay, someone with 18 year, जिसका कि who is not very adept or expert in music sense. Okay, so Q, R, P, S. S will be the last. So D will be our answer. Next, the sorry state. the sorry state of affairs in the modern factories. The government of India under the British was pro-capitalist, though it took some half-hearted steps to mitigate. To mitigate what? To mitigate means to mitigate, to check, to control. ये होगा to control, mitigate करना, mitigating climate, global warming, mitigation and adaptation. Okay, so SP will come together. Okay, SP will come together. We will to mitigate what action, to mitigate what? If you question mitigate what, your answer will be the sorry state of affairs. Okay, so SP will come together. SP कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है, यहाँ नहीं है. SP यहाँ है SP, and SP यहाँ नहीं है. Only B or C should be the our answer. Okay, SP together. Now come to subject matter. Though it took means something ये बाद में आएगा ना, it will come later. Okay, the sorry state of affairs in modern factories under the British. So यहाँ पे the government of India है, ये हमारा subject, it seems like our subject matter. So let's check with Q. The government of India under the British. Government of India क्या था? Under the British was pro-capitalist. Pro-capitalist means socialist and capitalist. Okay, two form of rule. Okay, socialist go for welfare measure and they treat everyone, and capitalist who go for who put more emphasis on money investment. Okay, so the government of India, QR, under the British was pro-capitalist, though it took in modern factories. Okay, तो यहाँ अब कंट्रारी नेचर आ रहा है. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ प्रो कैपिटलिस्ट आ रहा है, और टू मिटिगेट सॉरी स्टेट मीन्स डिड did something to improve the condition of the factories, working condition in favor of people. Okay, तो दो चीज आ रही, प्रो कैपिटलिस्ट है और यहाँ पे प्रो पीपुल एक्टिविटी, प्रो लेबर एक्टिविटीज. तो दो चीज है, दो का सेंस होता है कंट्रैरी सेइंग दो कनेक्ट्स टू कंट्रैरी क्लॉज और सब्जेक्ट. ओके, दो यद्यपि. ओके, सो आवर आंसर शुड बी क्यू आर, उसके बाद दो एस एंड फाइनली पी, क्यू और एस पी. ओके, of extreme poverty among its people, economic policies was the prevalence a major characteristic of British rule in India, and the net result है तो पहले नहीं आएगा. of extreme poverty among its people, it will come later. of subject matter, economic policies was the prevalence a major characteristic India. कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? ओके, सो इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज वाज द प्रिविलेंस वेयर ए मेजर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक. सेंटेंस कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? ए मेजर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया क्या होगा यहाँ पे? और टू बिगिन or will begin the sentence. So answer, a major characteristic of British rule in India. Only option is that begins with the R is yes, C. Okay, let's see. A major characteristic of British rule in India and the net result, S of British economic policies. British क्या है? British ये एडजेक्टिव आ रहा है ना, तो एस क्यू विल कम टूगेदर, एस क्यू विल कम टूगेदर. ओके, डेफिनेटली विल कम टूगेदर, बिकॉज यहां पे आ गया ना ब्रिटिश, एडजेक्टिव आ गया, ब्रिटिश इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज, तो यहां पे कुछ नाउन आएगा. ओके, सो ये कनेक्ट कर रहा है. ब्रिटिश इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज वॉज द प्रिविलेंस ऑलवेज, जो इसका फॉलोड बाय ऑफ, तो ऑफ कनेक्ट करेगा इससे. ओके, सो ऑफ कनेक्ट करेगा पी से, तो पी विल एस क्यू पी टूगेदर. ओके, ओनली ऑप्शन इज आर. ओके, इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज वॉज द प्रिविलेंस ऑफ एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी बिकॉज ऑफ British economic policy, okay, to take raw material from India at cheap rate and then produce goods in factories and then sell it India at high price, costly. यहाँ पे cheap, okay, India, British India, तो फैक्ट्रीज में करके यहाँ पे कॉस्टली प्राइस पे बेचना. सो एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी, यहाँ के जो फैक्ट्रीज थी, लेबर्स थे, दे वेयर बिकम बैंकरप्ट, दिवालिया हो गए. ओके, दे लूटेड आवर मनी. सो पी विल फॉलो क्यू, क्यू पी टूगेदर, एस क्यू टूगेदर. ओनली ऑप्शन इज एस क्यू क्यू पी, एंड सेंटेंस विल स्टार्ट विथ आर. कंफर्म. You cannot judge very intelligent, but okay, sentence wants to say कि you cannot judge a book by its cover. Okay, you must read it. You cannot judge a book on surface reading. You must go in depth. You cannot judge a book. He doesn't look very intelligent, but he doesn't look, कहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा? It doesn't look as होगा. He doesn't look very intelligent, but you cannot just, okay, it's telling about a people, a person. So it's saying about a person, he doesn't look very intelligent. So it says he doesn't look, start with S. Okay, very intelligent, but you cannot judge a book. Okay, a book by its cover. इसका सेंस ये है कि he may appear, he may look bad, he may look not good in physical appearance, but he is intelligent. इसका सेंस ये हो रहा है. ओके, he doesn't look very intelligent, but you cannot judge. Look, P and R will come definitely. You cannot judge a book by its cover. ये एक saying है. ओके, तो P and R will come together. P and R कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है. ओके, इसमें नहीं है, डिलीट. इसमें नहीं है, डिलीट. इसमें नहीं है, not together. So PR will come together. Only option is A. You don't need to move further. Okay, only option is, because it's saying you cannot judge a book by its cover. Definite. और इसके the sentence wants to say that he doesn't look very intelligent, means look, you cannot judge one's intelligent by his or her look. Okay, option is A. Membership and partnership as well as can be found in the decline in party. Evidence of a crisis in party politics, in the rise of anti-party groups and movements. Members. Okay, let's see. Subject matter can be found, will not be subject matter. Evidence of a crisis in party politics, in the rise of anti-party, it's also will not start from in the rise, okay, and movements. So where should start? Evidence membership as well as partisan as evidence of a crisis. It here seems our subject matter. Evidence of a crisis in party politics. Our sentence, if we start with R, then only option A and C. Q can be found. No, Q will not start as we have, so delete this. And after R, evidence of a crisis in party politics can be found. Member P will not come. After R, in the rise. So sentence will Q will be followed. Why? Because a verb should come na, can be found. So RQ will come together. Only option is A. Answer. Okay. RQ will come together. Subject matter and subject will proceed by helping verb first. Can be and then found main verb. Can be in the decline of party. तो क्राइसिस कैसे पता लगेगा? डिक्लाइन फाउंड इन द डिक्लाइन ऑफ पार्टी डिक्लाइन कर रही है, इन द डिक्लाइन इन पार्टी मेंबरशिप. लोग मेंबरशिप नहीं ले रहे हैं ना. नाउ इट इज कांग्रेस इज ऑन डिक्लाइनिंग, ओके, लूजिंग स्टेट्स इलेक्शंस. इन मेंबरशिप एंड पार्टीजनशिप, पार्टी मेंबरशिप नहीं ले रहा है कोई, और पार्टीजनशिप एज वेल एज इन द राइज ऑफ एंटी पार्टी ग्रुप्स. एंटी पार्टी ग्रुप्स भी राइज हो रहे हैं, ओके, वेरी ऑब्वियस. सो आर क्यू विल कम टुगेदर. ओनली ऑप्शन इज ए. एंड आफ्टर दैट डिक्लाइन पार्टी मेंबरशिप, ओके, पार्टी मेंबरशिप. सो पी इज कंप्लीटिंग एंड एस इज इन द लास्ट. गवर्नमेंट मार्केट वॉलंटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मिक्सचर ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूशन फ्रॉम द प्रोविजन ऑफ पब्लिक गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. एंड सर्विसेज विल नॉट स्टार्ट. एंड आ गया. some matter should proceed as government market and voluntary organizations, the provision of public goods. Here is our subject matter, okay, the provision of public goods, subject matter. After that क्या होगा? public goods and services. It's a common phrase, goods and services, okay. So RS will come together. RS not here, RS here, RS here, RS not here. Only option is B and C. The provision of public goods and services can be regarded as a complex what? Complex adjective है, तो इसके बाद noun आएगा. Complex government नहीं होती है, complex market नहीं होती, complex mixture of, okay, complicated mixture of. So RSS will be followed by Q, RSQ or RSQ option, okay, option C. Mixture of contribution from government, market and voluntary organization, okay. ये कैसे है? द प्रोविजन ऑफ पब्लिक गुड्स, उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व होती हैं पब्लिक गुड्स और सर्विसेज में? फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट इन्वॉल्वमेंट है, मार्केट का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है एंड वॉलंटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एनजीओज का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है. थ्री थिंग्स मेक द प्रोविजन ऑफ पब्लिक गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. जैसे जो ट्राइबल एरियाज हैं छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वहाँ पे क्या होता है? एनजीओज दे वर्क देयर, ओके, टू फॉर प्रोविजन ऑफ पब्लिक गुड्स. गवर्नमेंट का रोल है, गवर्नमेंट का डायरेक्ट रोल है. एनजीओज दे वर्क ऑन द फील्ड एंड मार्केट कैसी है, ओके, इकोनॉमी मेन चीज. सो आवर आंसर इज सेंटेंस विल स्टार्ट विथ आर एंड एसक्यू विल बी फॉलोड, आरएस विल बी फॉलोड. पब्लिक गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, इट्स ए कॉमन फ्रेज. पब्लिक गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज कॉमन फ्रेज. सो क्यू एसक्यू विल कम टुगेदर एंड स्टार्ट विथ आर. ओनली ऑप्शन इज सी. Synonym, low bro means nearest in meaning. Low bro, लिटिल टेस्ट, ऑल बोलते हैं ना कि समवन लेस इंटेलेक्चुअल, लेस person having less knowledge. Low bro, intellectual, okay, less intellectual interest. Low bro person. Coarse means यही हो जाएगा, coarse, crude, okay. रूरल, क्रूड, रूड, ओके, इस सेंस में आ जाएगा. प्राउड सिनोनिम है तो नहीं होगा. पैशनेट, पैशनोट मीन्स इंथुसियास्टिक, इंथुसियास्ट और पर्सन फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, ओके. वाइटॉलिटी, पैशनेट, इनर्जेटिक, ओके. तो ये भी नहीं होगा. पैथेटिक, पैथेटिक मीन्स सैड. एपैथी होता ना, पैथी, सिंपैथी, सैड, डिस्मल, निगेटिव सेंस में है, ओके. सो लो ब्रो पर्सन मीन्स पर्सन हु हैज लेस इंटेलेक्चुअल इंटरेस्ट, लिटिल टेस्ट ऑफ academic subject, okay, academic field. Nostalgia means longing, desire, especially of past के उसमें जो बोला जाता है, okay, longing, desire. आंसर एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होगा. nostalgia about past, okay. sweet memories, golden memories, okay, past memories. longing उसकी बार बार something you want to repeat again and again, longing. happiness, no. ability, no. ability, competence का होगा ना, ability, capability. truancy, his truancy means truancy is detrimental. truancy means declining interest, okay. towards duty, one's duty, towards one's duty, okay. so इसका क्या होगा? not taking, not actively active, okay, actively active इस सेंस में आ जाएगा. मीन्स एब्सेंटीज्म, एब्सेंट माइंड. अच्छा ये देखो तीनों, ऑल थ्री ऑप्शंस आर गिविंग ए पॉजिटिव सेंस, ओके. हॉनेस्टी का, लॉयल्टी का, ओके, इंटीग्रिटी, ओके. सो इसका सेंस दे रहे हैं पॉजिटिव सेंस. ओनली नेगेटिव सेंस इज गिविंग इज डी. सो आवर आंसर एब्सेंटीज्म, एब्सेंट रहना, ओके. someone who is not interested in his work or duty is truancy. A new word, truancy, not true, truancy. He is a maleficent person. Mal, as I told you earlier, mal means bad, evil, ugly, anything. Malnutrition, maladministration, malfunctioning, okay. Malevolent, okay. Maleficent, not efficient person. So our answer should be criminal, negative sense में. बाकी clever ये आ जाएगा. And all three, A, B, D, little bit some positive. Clever is little negative, but it means totally जो है harmful person, okay. Baleful एक वर्ड आता है इसका, बेलफुल पर्सन. सो क्रिमिनल निगेटिव सेंस में है, ओके. ऑलवेज बैड. क्लेवर, कनिंग कैन बी गुड, कैन बी बैड, बोथ. positive negative both, but criminal is always negative. Answer is C. His solemnity is celebrated. Solemnity means someone's dignity, dignified person, honor, purity, respect, reputation. Okay, celebrated. Greed negative है, desire no, trust and dignity. His trust is celebrated. His trust ठीक है, but trust can be positive or negative. Can be some people trust some negative persons. Okay, villain के भी there are some followers of villain and some followers. Trust, you can trust on anyone, some bad person and some good person, but dignity is always tells about good well wishers. Okay, reputation, image, respect. Okay, answer 35. 36. Bounty is limitless. His bounty means his warm heartedness, warm or good heartedness, heartedness, बड़े big heart. Okay, is limitless. He is a person who has big and large heart. Person with big and large heart. Magnanimity is most suitable word is magnanimity. Okay, magnanimous person. So here is benevolence. Someone, bene means good, well wishers. Okay, benevolence. गैलेंट्री वर्ड गैलेंट करेज के सेंस में आएगा, ब्रेवरी के सेंस में आएगा, करेजियस पर्सन, ब्रेव पर्सन. ओके, नेपोटिज्म एज वी नो टू फेवर समवन इन रिलेशन, नेपोटिज्म. चिवैलरी इज मेडिवल नाइटहुड, जो मेडिवल पीरियड में होता था, तो वहाँ पे वो सिस्टम स्पिरिट कस्टम उनकी जो होती थी ना, जो कर्टसी होती थी, एटिकेट्स, चिवैलरियस एटिकेट्स. क्या होगा इसका स्पेलिंग, देख लेना इसको, ETT कुछ ऐसे होता है एटिकेट, चिवैलरी. ओके, तो जो उनका ट्रेडिशन, जो रूल कर रहे हैं, जो ट्रेडिशन में होता है कस्टम, मेडिवल पीरियड में जो नाइटहुड्स होते थे, फॉलोड, दे यूज्ड टू अडॉप्ट सच थिंग्स. ओके, एटिकेट्स, मैनर्स. सो आवर आंसर इज बेनेवोलेंस. बेने मीन्स गुड, volence means desire, having well wishes for everyone, benevolence. Okay, चलो. Holocaust it is we all know about Holocaust of Jews, means total discrimination, total destruction experienced by millions, total destroy, especially by burning, particularly by burning, जला देना ना. Over 6 million Jews were exterminated by Nazi people, Nazi forces. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या होगा, celebration, construction, beautiful, all are positive, only negative is destruction. Okay, check about Holocaust. Okay, they were brutally destroyed, most of the Jews from होल यूरोप, ओके, पोलैंड में ले जाके जो उनके साथ किया था, दे फ्यूल्ड देम विथ पॉइजनस गैसेज, गैस चैम्बर्स, सबको स्ट्रिप किया एंड देन दे फ्यूल। पढ़ना, इट्स ए वेरी रोंगटे खड़े कर देने वाली स्टोरी है, स्टोरी नहीं, रियल स्टोरी है। His aversion, aversion is known to all. Aversion means अपोजिशन, इसका मतलब होता है अपोजिशन, अपोज करना, इन निगेटिव सेंस, हेट्रेड। ओके, सो क्या होगा, हॉस्पिटैलिटी मीन्स आओ भगत, गेस्चर, वेलकम टू गेस्ट, ओके, गेस्ट रिसेप्शन और वेलकम, ओके। हॉस्टिलिटी, ह्यूमिलिटी, ह्यूमिलिटी नहीं होगा, हम्बलनेस नहीं होगा, ओके। हॉस्टिलिटी, एवर्सन टू सिनोनिम है, ओके। हॉस्टिल, एनिमिटी, एनिमिटी, एनिमी, रिलेटेड टू एनिमी, यहां से बना है, अपोजिशन, एनिमी, ओके। टू बी एबल टू डिसाइफर, डिसाइफर मीन्स डिकोड करना, डिकोड, डिकोड करना, ओके। समथिंग मीन्स टू सॉल्व सेक्रेसी, टू रिजॉल्व मिस्ट्री, मिस्ट्री, और सॉल्व सेक्रेसी, सी वाई, ओके। सो यहां पे क्या होगा, व्हाट विल यू आंसर, डिकोड करना, कोडिंग, डिकोडिंग, एनकोडिंग, डिकोडिंग, साइफरिंग, एनकोडिंग को साइफर भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, साइफरिंग, साइफर, ओके। सिमुलेट नहीं होगा, एनिमेट नहीं होगा, मूविंग के सेंस में। सिमुलेट मीन्स क्या होगा, कंसीडर, पॉन्डर, अफेक्ट, ओके। एनिमेट मीन्स गिव मोशन, मोमेंटम, टू गिव लाइफ, ओके। 40, it is the opportune time to think about investment in real sector. Opportune time means golden time, golden time, good time, best time, okay. So appropriate time, suitable time, honorary, in honor, not in honor, difficult time, unsuitable time, no, only option is appropriate, suitable, suitable, best time, okay. Let's move. Antonym, opposite in meaning, lopsided, lopsided means inclining, taking one side, one side, partial होना, partial, okay. Leaning to one side, taking one side, leaning, inclined, inclined towards something or somebody, okay. Taking sides, so इसका अपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा, पार्शियल का सेम मीनिंग है, क्रूक्ड, क्रूक्ड मीन्स डिसऑनेस्ट, okay. Dishonest person, someone not straight, straight और honest, और ट्रांसपेरेंट, ओके। अनइक्वल नहीं होगा, इसका लोप साइडेड का क्या होगा, बैलेंस्ड, न्यूट्रल, लोप साइडेड टेकिंग वन साइड एंड हियर इज न्यूट्रल, ओके, यानी यू न्यूट्रल। लुक, पार्शियल, क्रूक्ड, अनइक्वल, कन्वेइंग सेम सेंस ना, सेम सेंस निगेटिव मीन्स किसी की साइड ले रहे हैं, एंड अनइक्वल सेम सेंस ऑफ टेकिंग साइड्स, बायस्ड, सेंस ऑफ बायसनेस यहाँ पे आ रही है, ओके और यहाँ पे बैलेंस, इक्वल, जस्ट, इक्वानॉमिटी, इक्वानमस, एक होता है इक्वल माइंड, बैलेंस माइंड, काम माइंड, ओके, नॉट टेकिंग साइड्स. प्रेजवर्दी इज समथिंग, प्रेजवर्दी मीन्स सेइंग गुड अबाउट समवन, प्रेज करना किसी को ना, उसको अप्रिसिएट करना यहाँ पे. तो अप्रिसिएट का क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे अपोजिट? एडमायर करना, कंडेमेबल, ओके, कंडेम करना, सेइंग नेगेटिव अबाउट समवन. लुक, ऑप्शन ए कमेंडेबल, कमेंडेशन, कमेंड करना, रिकमेंडेशन, सेइंग गुड अबाउट समथिंग, रिकमेंड करना, क्रेडिटेबल, दैट कैन बी बिलीवेबल, trusted, that can be trusted, believable, okay, believable. So A, C and D, they are giving same sense of goodness, something positive. Only option that is giving negative sense is condemnable, negative sense कर रहा है, okay. किसी को कंडेम करना, से बैड अबाउट, क्रिटिसाइज करना, ओके. हिज डीड्स हैड रेट्रोग्रेड रिजल्ट्स. रेट्रो मीन्स बैक, मूविंग बैक, ओके. रेट्रोग्रेड मीन्स गोइंग बैक. तो क्या हो गया यहाँ पे इसको रेट्रोबैक, गोइंग बैक, एंड इसका पास्ट के सेंस में कह रहा है तो इसका क्या होगा? मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, सो प्रोग्रेसिव इन ए सेंस. नेगेटिव, रिट्रीट, रिवर्स, ऑल आर डिस्प्लेइंग नेगेटिव सेंस, ओके. ठीक है. रिट्रीट किस सेंस में यूज होता है? आ जाएगा कहीं पे यूज. रिट्रीटिंग ऑफ ग्लेशियर्स, ओके. नाउ इट इज ड्यू टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, ग्लेशियर्स आर मेल्टिंग एंड देयर माउथ इज रिट्रीटिंग, ओके. गंगोत्री हैज ऑलमोस्ट गॉन बैक नियरली 20 kilometers back, okay, as it was it is used to be 2 decades before, okay. Negative reverse means totally opposite, okay. So all are giving negative sense, only positive sense is progressive. Answer: always offers palatable solution. Palatable means related to taste, फिजिकल सेंस में, फूड के सेंस में हो जाएगा, ओके. लेकिन सॉल्यूशंस कह रहा है, सॉल्यूशंस, सो यहां पे इंटरेस्टिंग और प्रैक्टिकेबल सॉल्यूशन, प्रैक्टिकेबल या इंटेलेक्चुअल, ओके. इंटेलेक्चुअल विजडम के सेंस में है, वाइज सॉल्यूशन, ओके. सेन, पैलेटेबल, ओके. सो आंसर इज एक्सेप्टेबल, अनएक्सेप्टेबल. एक्सेप्टेबल इसका क्या हो जाएगा? अनएक्सेप्टेबल. पैलेटेबल एक्सेप्टेबल बाई ऑल, इट मीन्स सम वाइज सॉल्यूशन, सम इंटेलेक्चुअल सॉल्यूशन, सम प्रैक्टिकेबल, ओके. सो इसका होगा अनएक्सेप्टेबल. एग्रीएबल, एक्सेप्टेबल, प्लीजेंट, ये सेम एक्सेप्टेंस का तीनों ए, बी एंड डी आर गिविंग ए सेंस ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस, ओके. एग्री करना, एक्सेप्ट करना, प्लीजिंग, अच्छा होना. सम आर ए positive sense. Only negative is unacceptable is our option. Answer to palatable. Antonym. His views on subject are microscopic. Microscopic. That can be seen by a microscope. Okay. इसका अपोजिट क्या हो जाए? मैक्रो. मैक्रोस्कोपिक अपोजिट एंटोनिम. और टेलीस्कोपिक. We watch distant object. Okay. Telescopic. So microscopic over a very small area. Over a small or tiny area. Pronounce the way as you can. Okay. So this antonym will be broad based. Minute, precise, fine. They are giving a sense of narrowness. Narrow का. Okay. To the point. Narrow view. Okay. All three. B, C, D. Minute, precise and fine. To the point. But only that is expanding nature. जिसका expansion है वो expand कर रहा है ना. Broad based. Large. At a large view. Okay, broad based. Whose base is broad. Obdurate. He is always obdurate in his behavior towards other people. Obdurate. Word कहाँ से form हुआ है? Obdurate means he is always obdurate in his behavior towards other people. इसका meaning कैसे करना पड़ेगा? Obdurate means एक rigid stubborn, okay, और ruthless का सेंस दे रहा है, मतलब saying bad about, जो always doing some mistake, making mistakes, yeah, not behaving in a proper manner. Okay. Callous is a callous manner. Okay. So इसका अपोजिट क्या होगा? Obdurate मतलब rigid. तो rigid का क्या होगा? Flexible. Okay. Not amenable कई बार आ गया है. Okay. Not changeable. So insensible, obnoxious, all are synonym of obdurate. ये synonym है ये सब. Okay. Next, Mohan always had profound respect. Profound means huge respect. Depth में. Okay. For Sohan. दिल से. Through heart. Okay. From heart. तो इसका क्या होगा? From deep heart. दिल के कोने से. So it's deep, extreme, sincere, same sense of respect. Okay. Deep respect. Only opposite is superficial. At the level of surface. Superficial level of surface. ऊपर से. Okay. We are living in turbulent times, disturbed times. Okay. We are living in turbulent times. It means इसका क्या हो जाएगा? Opposite. Calm. Destructive, unstable, stormy. Storm का मतलब disturbance होता है ना. Okay. एक साइक्लोनिक. साइक्लोन देखो कैसे आता है. टेम्पेस्ट नॉवल है विलियम शेक्सपियर. टेम्पेस्टुअस. ओके. सो आवर आंसर इज काम. अपोजिट ऑफ टर्बुलेंट. डॉगमेटिक पर्सन. प्रैक्टिकल okay, something that is acceptable, okay, talks about reality based on ground, based on reality, ओके, डॉगमेटिक। सो इसका क्या हो जाएगा, एमिनेबल, assertive, assertive, bold, rigid, okay, so assertive and bold and rigid, even if you don't know meaning, all three are giving same sense of some friction, assertness, assertness, okay, dogmatic है तो इसका मतलब he is his solutions are according to the ground reality, so they are amendable, amendable, okay, dogmatic, concerning faith and dogma, concerning faith अपोजिट हो जाएगा इसका, ओके, कंसर्निंग डॉगमा होता है, डॉगमा इज कंसर्निंग फेथ एंड मॉरल टेस्टामेंट, मतलब पर्टिकुलर लाइन पे चलने वाला है, ओके, ऑर्थोडॉक्स, ऑर्थोडॉक्स पर्सन, सो वो रूल को फॉलो करता है स्ट्रिक्टली, तो पहले वाला जो है अपोजिट है, वो अपोजिट है, और इसका जो है समवन हु फॉलोज, someone who follows, not amenable नहीं होगा इसका, someone who follows rules, following rule, following rule properly, strict, strict follower of, lower of क्या, strict follower of rules and faith, faith, okay, Muslims are dogmatic about Islam, very dogmatic people about Islam, they strict follow, orthodox, following religion strictly, orthodox, okay, strictly, Christians and Muslims are orthodox persons who follow their religion in strictest manner, okay, so changeable, amenable, यहाँ पे देखो assertive है, bold है, rigid है, ये सब सेम सेंस कर रहा है कि नो, नॉट चेंजेबल, नॉट चेंजेबल, इसका सेंस दे रहे हैं, ओके। सचिन इज ए वेरी फिकल पर्सन, फिकल मीन्स unstable, 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 okay, lack of stability, lack of permanency, permanence, okay, so fluctuate करता है, fluctuate करता है, it's a good term, fluctuate, so here is stable, capricious, mercurial, capricious is whims, according to whims and fancy, whims, fancy, and mercurial, mercury से mercurial हुआ है, mercury because ये unstable रहता है ना, we use mercury in thermometer because easily क्या, फ्लूइड के सेंस में ना, इजिली मूव कर जाता है। बैसिलेट होना मीन्स टू स्वे बैक एंड फोर्थ, इनडिसिसिव, इनडिसिसिव हो जाएगा, फ्लक्चुएट। तो ये तीनों जो है बी सी डी सेम सेंस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं चेंज का, ओके, एंड ओनली ऑप्शन इज स्टेबल, ए, दैट इज परमानेंट, नॉट टेम्पोररी। So here we have concluded our NDNA 2 2021. All the best. Take care of your mind. Thank you.